We all know that there are different types and categories of mutual funds available in the market. Which mutual fund a beginner investor should choose? Financial expert Mr. Sandeep will give clarity on this now.
I think a beginner investor, if you look at these investors, if he is, you have to first identify the risk appetite also. Say, for example, if I am a beginner and I am starting my investment, and if, say, for example, I have invested a lakh of rupees, and tomorrow the market goes down by about, say, 10%, it is 90,000 rupees. I feel uneasiness. There is a tendency that whenever there is a fall in the market, the investor might would like to redeem some amount of money or the entire amount of money. So for those kind of investors, probably a balanced category of fund would be suitable, little more conservative, because balanced fund has a combination of equity and debt. And those who are comfortable with the volatility, they should look at the equity funds. Again, for beginners also, investment objective is important. If they are investing for a very short period of time, then of course they can look at the debt products. So investment objective is paramount, based on which we will be able to decide what kind of products which would be suitable for a beginner. And as a thumb rule, probably if he is investing for the first time, I think start your investment with a systematic investment plan. Let that investment flavor come to you, and as you gradually invest and you gradually improve the knowledge about mutual funds, you can then diversify across the products based on your investment objective goals.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.